Hello and welcome back to NDI Central Live here at the NewTek booth at NAB 2018. We're in the South Hall of the Las Vegas Convention Center. We're going to be here all day today, tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday, all day, finding out more about some great new products featuring NDI Technology, as well as some new announcements and products from NewTek. My name's Rex Olson, and I have with me right now Mr. Delix Alex from Panasonic to tell us all about some great new NDI releases. But first of all, the thing that a lot of people want to know, that I wanted to know, is Delix. What an interesting name. What is it? What's the origin?
Yeah,
of
very a combination of two things: creative parents and cultural confusion. Maybe a story for another time.
Cultural confusion.
Yeah, yeah.
Very good. All right. Well, the theme at Panasonic now is we're all in.
Yes, yes.
Tell us about that.
So I think this year is a very, very exciting year for us. About 2 years ago, we started partnering with you guys, putting NDI in different applications. But this year, I think we have a whole lineup of PTZ cameras and our new AV-HLC100 switcher shipping with built-in NDI support. It's quite exciting for us.
How are your customers responding to NDI?
I think they're super excited. I think more and more people have been asking for it in our cameras, and now they want to see it in the rest of our products. So I think that's a true testament to the demand there. Yeah.
What do you think is the biggest advantage of adding NDI?
So NDI, to me, we at Panasonic, we've always looked at media over IP throughout the industry, and we saw the need to have an accessible technology that is available for any type of user. So the ease and the auto discovery aspects of it is really the key point. At the higher end, we're part of SMPTE 2110 and the AIMS initiative, but we simultaneously have this strategy now with NDI for the larger audiences that can, for a more economical solution, if you will, too.
Now, you have several cameras that are NDI enabled.
Yep.
And these are not newer cameras, but cameras that have been around for a while, correct?
Yes. So we've had, up till about the end of last year, what we call our HE40, UE70, and HE130. So earlier this year, we introduced one more model into the lineup. That's the 38, which is an entry-level model. And then what we did was we introduced an N version of all of these cameras. So the difference between N and non-N is that it ships pre-activated, ready to go out of the box with NDI, or customers who currently own an HE40 or up to the 130 can upgrade their existing cameras with the NDI capability.
Right. And that upgrade is available through the NewTek store currently.
Correct.
Yep.
NewTek store, you check out, use Studio Monitor, and upgrade. Simple upgrade.
And a new product here, I guess, at the show is the AV-HLC100.
So the we call it the Live Production Center. Our aim with this product was to combine all the essentials of live production into a single piece design, especially for those one-man band production crews. You're limited in the number of resources you have, so combining that with the N-Series PTZ camera, a single cable goes to those cameras, power control, audio, video, tally. On the HLC100, one click, it's all connected and configured, the easiest setup possible. So combining that total system and the all-in-one design was what we were going for. Really excited about it.
And I know that those that had been familiar with the Panasonic PTZ controller will also be comfortable with this new switcher.
So the control design of the hardware panel is very similar to that of our RP50 or RP120 joystick controllers. So it has two operating modes, meaning you can operate in a two-handed configuration or a single-handed configuration, especially depending on user preference and style there.
It's flexible that way.
Exactly.
So who do you see as the ideal customer for these systems?
So we at Panasonic, our PTZ customers range from education for distance learning to corporate customers, some of the major corporations out there using our cameras. as well as broadcast television studios. So our HE130 camera, for example, it has the same image sensor that's in our PX270 or 380 broadcast cameras. So we have this lineup available to really appeal to a lot of the audiences. With the new 38 model, our goal is to get to more of the webcasters, the podcasters out there, and make it more accessible, giving people this higher level of technology in a more economical price.
Okay, so education, for sports, for the corporate, really kind of a broad.
A very, very broad, correct.
Very good. Now, you have a special event today, actually, right? The We're All In Monday event. What is it called, or is that just part of it?
Yeah. So we have a reseller and a appreciation event in our booth this evening.
Okay. And so where can someone find out more about these new products?
First off, we are in the Central Hall, C3607, or us.panasonic.com/NAB2018. So you can watch. We also have live streams happening in our booth, ironically with the new AV-HLC100 and our NDI cameras as well. So you can see that in action, as well as our entire lineup of cameras.
So you're live streaming from there?
We are live streaming.
Where would they find that stream?
On our Facebook page, Panasonic Pro Video USA.
Okay, great. So check that out. Check out all the great products. If you're coming to NAB, once again, come by the NewTek booth. Go to the Panasonic booth, check out all the happenings, all the great new products that are available, particularly with NDI Technology. Delix, thank you so much for joining us. Have a great show, and stick around because we're going to be coming right back very shortly, and we'll have more great new products and NDI Technology coming up after this.